While quantity surveyors and lawyers may seem like two very different professions to those from the outside, they actually share numerous parallels, especially when it comes to their professional practices and the intricate procedures they follow, as many quantity surveyors working within the construction industry are all too aware of. In today's video, we'll delve into the key similarities between the two roles and explore how their expertise often intersect in the UK construction and legal sectors. Contractual expertise. QSs are well versed in construction contracts, including the interpretation of terms, conditions, and legal obligations in standard forms such as JCT and NEC. Lawyers, especially those specialising in construction or commercial law, have a deep understanding of contract law, including how to draft, negotiate, and resolve disputes over contracts. Advisory roles. Both QSs and lawyers act in advisory capacities. QSs provide financial, procurement, and contractual advice, while lawyers offer legal advice to ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and contractual obligations. Dispute resolution. Both professions play critical roles in dispute resolution. QSs may be involved in preparing claims, assessing damages, or providing expert testimony, while lawyers handle the legal aspects of disputes, including arbitration, adjudication, or litigation. Before we explore further common areas, let us introduce you to our online learning platform that offers a library of courses and lectures designed to help you excel as a quantity surveyor. Each lecture includes a video, key points card, and a quiz. Upon completing a course, you receive a personalised certificate detailing the course duration, which can be used for formal CPD. Simply visit metroun.co.uk or follow the link in the description. Regulatory and professional bodies. QSs are regulated by professional bodies like the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, which sets standards, codes of conduct, and professional requirements. Lawyers are regulated by entities such as the Solicitors Regulation Authority or Bar Standards Board, which enforce professional standards, ethics, and conduct. Ethics and professionalism. Both professions adhere to strict ethical standards and codes of conduct established by their respective professional bodies, ensuring integrity, impartiality, and professionalism in their practice. Documentation and report writing. QSs frequently prepare detailed reports, valuations, and cost assessments that are often used in legal contexts. Lawyers prepare legal documents such as contracts, pleadings, and legal opinions that require accuracy and precision. Cross-disciplinary collaboration. Both QSs and lawyers often work together on complex construction projects or disputes, where their combined expertise is required for successful project outcomes or resolutions. These similarities show that both professions have overlapping roles, particularly in contract management, dispute resolution, and professional standards, making their collaboration in the construction industry highly complementary. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.